Hello students. In today's session, let us learn anatomy of monocot stem. Stem is ascending axis, positively phototropic, negatively geotropic, having nodes and internodes, supporting the growth of the leaf, buds, then flower and the fruits. It is mainly involved in conduction of water from root towards leaves and conduction of solutes from leaf to different parts of the plant body. When you take transverse section passing through monocot stem, it shows outermost single layer known as epidermis. It is parenchymatous layer where the cells are barrel shaped, compactly arranged, and it is covered by cuticle. Next layer is hypodermis. It is 2 to 3 layered in thickness, composed of sclerenchymatous fibers. It is meant for mechanical support. Third layer is multi-layered parenchymatous where cells are oval shaped, compactly arranged, and this forms a ground tissue. It is, though we call it as cortex, but in monocot stem, the specific cortex is not found. The entire region which is undifferentiated known as ground tissue, and in the ground tissue the vascular bundles are not arranged properly, they are scattered, and hence this arrangement is known as atactostele. This word is important. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by sclerenchymatous bundle sheath having metaxylem with wide lumen, protoxylem with narrow lumen arranged in the form of Y. Protoxylem, though that it is inactive in nature, so it is provided with a sap-filled lysigenous cavity. There is phloem above the metaxylem, so there is no cambium found between phloem and xylem, hence the vascular bundle is said to be conjoined, collateral, closed. The xylem arrangement, if you observe, protoxylem is towards the central axis and metaxylem is away from it. Hence, it is said to be endark in nature. Thus, monocot stem comprises epidermis with cuticle, hypodermis sclerenchymatous, ground tissue parenchymatous. Stele is not specific in development, so it is atactostele due to scattered vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are conjoined collateral closed type where xylem is said to be endark. With this, I have completed monocot stem. Let us continue with the anatomy of dicot stem. Dicot stem is having single layer of epidermis similar to monocot stem, but here the cells are having multicellular outgrowths called trichomes. They are meant for protection. Epidermis is protected by cuticle. Next layer is known as hypodermis. It is mechanical layer composed of lamellar collenchyma where the cells are pectinized. Then third region is cortex. This cortex is well defined with loosely arranged parenchymatous cells having many intracellular spaces. Next to cortex, we can see the single layered endodermal layer. It is specialized with the stored food granules. These are the starch granules. Hence, endodermis in dicot stem we call starch sheath or endodermide layer. Now, whatever we studied now, epidermis outermost representing epidermal tissue system for protection. Hypodermis, cortex, endodermis, this region is known as extrastellar region. It is outside the stele. Now comes stele, the central axis. Stele is having sclerenchymatous pericycle. Inside the pericycle, we can see the central mass of parenchyma known as pith or medulla. It is extended in between vascular bundles as medullary rays. If you look at each vascular bundle, it is wedge shaped, having sclerenchymatous bundle cap. It is a part of pericycle where the fibers are multi-layered in arrangement. Each bundle, if you observe carefully, phloem, cambium, metaxylem, protoxylem. So here phloem and xylem are separated by cambium. Cambium is example of secondary meristem which is known for secondary growth. Hence, vascular bundles are said to be conjoined collateral open type. If you see the vascular bundle arrangement, they are in the form of broken ring. Hence, the stele is said to be eustele. With this, if you summarize dicotyledonous stem layers, epidermis with cuticle provided with multicellular outgrowths called stem hairs or trichomes. Hypodermal region is collenchymatous, cortex is parenchymatous, endodermis is star sheath, pericycle is composed of sclerenchyma, pith is extended as medullary rays separating vascular bundles from each other. Each vascular bundle is with bundle cap. Conjoined collateral open type, xylem is said to be endark, and type of stele is eustele. Now when you compare monocot stem and dicot stem, epidermis without trichomes in monocot, epidermis with trichomes in dicot. Here hypodermis is sclerenchymatous in monocot, here hypodermis is collenchymatous. Cortex, endodermis, stele region is differentiated in dicot stem, while ground tissue remain undifferentiated in monocot stem. Here vascular bundles are said to be conjoined collateral open type, here they are conjoined collateral closed type. Stele is said to be eustele as the arrangement of vascular bundle is in the form of broken ring. Here the bundle sheath protecting the vascular bundles, and stele is said to be atactostele as vascular bundles are scattered. Lysigenous cavity is associated with protoxylem in monocot stem. It is absent in dicot stem. With this, we have completed anatomy of monocot and dicot stem. Thank you very much.